No matter where I am or what I am doing, my heart always finds its way back to you. It's like a compass pointing towards my true north. You each movement a part just reminds me how much you mean to me, how and deeply crash our connection. You are love is the beacons that guides me through our storm. The even I second every uncertainty. Because of you, I have understood how powerful loving is. You troll made me realize the really meaning of romantic love. Thank you for being wonderful, understanding, and loving to me. You always inspire me to be better. You are my love, life, baby. How love. Imagine spend a day without you would make me question my excitedness. You always pushed me forward even of the days I am at my weakest. I cannot imagine my future without you. I have completed my life. You are a blessing that my eternal being is. Thank you for thankful for. I feel that we were made to love, listen, understand, and work together through all the ups and downs in your lives. I know there are many more special actions and moments that are coming to surprise us and bring us closer together. You are my soulmate, and nothing and no one else feels more right for me than you do. I will love you internally and unconditionally. I miss you are than words can say, and my love will reach any distance to be in your heart. Each day we cannot be together, I physically long for you each night and will see you in my dreams until my we find ourselves wrapped in the love that grows stronger and deeper each day. I believe in you and have faith in you and in our future together. I long to see you again. You have my heart and soul. I know the meals between us are great, but our love keeps us never one another. One day those meals will disappear because I will be in our arms forever. You have given me so much already. Your kiss is the sweetest thing. December cannot come quick enough for my love you with everything that I have within me. I just wanted to let you know that I still love you with all my heart. I do not know what I do without you in my life. Enough though I try to spend with time with other people, you just cannot be replaced. I am so hurt that you we given up upon us. I know in other people's eyes we weren't the best couple, but in my eyes we were. I miss everything about you, and I can never get you off my mind. No matter how hard I try, people keep on telling me and to just let you go. But it's easier said than done. I just cannot let you go, and every time I try, it never seems to work out as planned. Every day I pray that you will come back to me, telling me you love and you all my living given. You will always and forever be my baby, my heart, my soul, my friend. I just thought I should let you know that I never forget. Before we went out on first date, I had debuted that you would be everything you tried yourself to be. I do not think it was possible to find someone so perfect for me in so many ways. We shown me that love can be true and genuine. I know from the beginning that you weren't worrying special, and that it was only a matter of time before I feel helpless in love with you. Makes me so happy and faithful me so completely. I thank God each and every day for bringing you into my life. When I look into your eyes, I see a future of endless possibilities and every listing love. You are my forever. You are my happiness, is the only trust you are I order with a complete possession since the day you came into my world. My life has never remained the same. You brought any endless smile to my face, amusing joy to my heart. Baby, I love you. I we always understand minted myself, always tried to humble myself, but when it came to true affection, settling was out of the question. I always knowing that love would come find me someday, but never did I know that it would be you. How was headed me where you caught me off grading and took me by surprise, but you simply captivated me the same way you do when I look into your eyes. It is true that every good and perfect gift is from above. It's a true that you and I have had some up and downs like all couples. We had a few roy moments, but we had our joyful times to our times of occasion and intimate sex. Our are also for greater than be the bad ones, and we have loved each other through it all. We shared our minds, bodies, hearts, and souls with each other. You have shown me that you love me in every possible way, and my love for you have grown beyond description. You becomes the heart of my work, my world, and I dream of both day and night. I want to you to know that I love you now and that I will love you always. I will not let anything come between us. Please my channel for subscribe. Please my channel for subscribe. End of the poem. Please everyone for my channel subscribe. Okay.